Hey there, Scott Monday again, and today we're talking about the pain point of the process. And really what I mean by that is what we've heard from folks over the years is some of the other contractors, they don't have a consistent process for the remodel project. So the customer's left to wonder what's going to happen next. And I think the reason for that is I think some people and even some contractors, they consider a remodel more like a salad, if you will. So thanks, Jeffrey. So a salad, you know how you make a salad, right? You get the ingredients, you put them in a bowl, you mix them up. Really doesn't matter really what proportions of things that you use. Pretty much you can take most things from the fridge and put them into a salad and it will work. There's not a lot of planning that goes into most salads, or at least not at the Monday household, right? So, but the way we look at remodels is a little bit different. We look at it more like a, I don't know, lasagna, right? We've all had lasagna before, and this is, Stouffer's best right here. A lasagna, especially a homemade one, which this is not, a lasagna is a much different process than making a salad, right? When you make a homemade lasagna, you gotta cook the noodles first, right? And then you put them in the pan and you create layers, and it's, noodles and then the meat and then the cheese and then the sauce and then the noodles again. And it's just this very important process to where once you put it into the oven and get it going, it actually comes out like it should. You can't just take all the lasagna ingredients and mix them together in a bowl and throw it in the oven. It would taste terrible, right? And so that's the difference, I think, between a lasagna and a salad. And I think some of the other guys think that a remodel is a salad where you just throw stuff together. So our recipe for a remodel, if you will, goes like this. We start with a phone consultation. And during that time, you talk with a member of our team, and we just make sure that what we do and what you need are in alignment. Then the next thing we do is we have the in-home consultation. It's where we come out and meet with you, listen specifically to your needs, measure the project, take pictures, really do a data gathering process to make sure the proposal is detailed for your specific project. Next up, you have your proposal meeting where we walk through your proposal and we answer any questions you might have. And really our goal is to make sure that we're presenting a 100% absolutely airtight solution to your specific remodel needs. After that, we roll into our design phase, and this is something that our customers over and over again talk about how much they enjoy. You work with one of our interior designers and your salesperson to go through the complete specification process down to the finest detail. Then we roll into the launch meeting, which occurs about a week or so before the job starts, where you meet your dedicated project manager, and your project manager walks through the job schedule, walks through logistics, things like access, working hours, pets, all those types of things that are really important to talk about before construction even begins. Now after that, we roll into construction, and construction is pretty cut and dry. Our goal is to produce exceptional quality in an exceptionally short period of time, meeting your needs along the way. I know it sounds simple, it's hard to do, but it's simple to understand. The last phase we call the wrap up, and really what that means is we meet with you to make sure you're satisfied with the project. We collect payment for the job, of course, and we kind of walk you through the next week or so, which will be our punch list process if needed. Now when the job's done, it's not like we pack up and we go away forever. We have a great team here when it comes to dealing with our warranty. I'm going to talk about the warranty in a subsequent video, but really it's just a complete all-in recipe for an amazing kitchen or bathroom remodel. So that's the Kitchen and Bath Crate process, and thank you so much for your time. It was just a pleasure sharing with you about this.